back to my channel. So, I don't know if you could tell, but I fucking love Tangled. It's my favorite movie. Not just like my favorite Disney movie, my favorite movie, period. And some of y'all may know that ColourPop released a Tangled collection. And I might have bought the whole thing. All of it. The whole collection. This is not sponsored. I spent almost $100 on this. So yeah, we're gonna check it out today. We're gonna play with it. We're gonna see what it's all about. Cannot stress enough. They did not pay me to do this. It'd be cool if it happened at some point though. All right, so. Whew, there we go. We might be eating good today, lads. Okay, to start off, there is a Pascal claw clip in here, which I'm not gonna lie, I thought was going to be larger. I'm hoping he fits in my hair. I'm gonna put him right into my hair, so we're gonna find out. I have decently thick hair, so I usually need a larger claw clip than this. But if you work to keep at least half of my hair up, we're golden. Influencer hands. I'm gonna just try to get like half of my hair up. Let's see if you can hold it all. It feels secure. Oh, I can see it. I have a mirror behind my camera to make sure that my angle is good, and I can see it. That is so cute. Okay, I'm very happy with that. I will be leaving that in for the rest of the video. I think that's actually cuter than what I had going on before. This is gonna be my next Disney bound. Next time I go to Disney, I'm wearing this. What is this? Oh, this is the hairbrush. I do like that this collection had some hair things in it. This hairbrush also has Pascal on it. It's one of those pocket hairbrushes. Like I used to have one of these back when I was a little kid in the early 2000s. It fits in your purse, it's a compact size. And this will be going straight into my purse because my hair like always looks like I'm very excited about this. Ooh, okay, off to a very strong start. Okay, incoming influencer hands just for the packaging. Look at Rapunzel and Flynn on this packaging. They're so freaking cute. This is a liquid highlight. I think there's more than one of these. Yes, there's two. Oh, this one is Mother Gothel on it. Look at her. The Mother Gothel one is, it's called Mother Gothel. And this one is called I See the Light. I think I have to swatch them. That's gorgeous. Okay, but the packaging inside is also really cute. Here's I See the Light. I'm trying to keep my hands off the cap so you can see all the details. It's a very pretty gold. There's sort of almost like a purpley shift within it. Ooh, I don't know if you can really see that. I've got a ring light over here, but I'm kind of new to the makeup video setup. And then Mother Gothel is a pretty traditional white sparkly highlight. Oh, it's got like a champagne shift to it that I don't know is coming through. Once again, I don't have a fantastic setup for this. That might be a staple, honestly. Hold on. I might have to put a little bit of that on right now. Oh, yeah. And it's not removing my foundation underneath, so that's a win. That's always a win. Oh, gorge. Gorge! Mother knows best indeed. That is so pretty. It's so confusing. It's very much a champagne color once it's on, but it's very white in the tube. I really like it. It's really pretty. This is going so much better than the Boo Box video. Glitter! Sorry. Let's fucking go. Okay, I love ColourPop glitters, if you couldn't tell. This is the Glitterly Obsessed glitter in the shade Floating Lights. Once again, A+ Tangled packaging. Oh, it's got a lantern on it. Hold on. Can you see it? I think it's upside down. No? Yes? Maybe. I'm such a pro at this. It's great, it's fine. I'm just gonna literally swatch what's on the top of this here on my, Jesus. Yep. Yeah, that's glitter. That's glitter. Yep, the ColourPop glitter, once again, does not disappoint. I'm gonna just blend it out so we can see that full effect. Because I'm not gonna lie, that color scares me a little bit. It's just not very tangled. It's like kind of hot pink. There's like no hot pink in this movie. Okay, you know what? That blended out like really pretty. It's sort of a light pink. It's not as severe as I thought it was gonna be, which is good. And now there's glitter all over me. It's time for the Best Day Ever palette, which I gotta say the packaging is once again on point. Look at her. Look at her. She's perfect. Literally, she's perfect. Oh, that's actually the actual palette. This is like a window. The back gives us no indication of what the colors are gonna be. I've seen them online. I know what they are. But it just has the names and the order. It doesn't show you the colors on the packaging. So let's take it out. I love her. There is a lot of sparkle on this palette. Like, you can sort of see that, I think. It's got Rapunzel on the front, got the colors listed on the back. Once again, no indication of what the colors actually are. I like this a lot better in person than I thought I liked it online. I'm not gonna lie, I was prepared to not love this. This is really pretty. First of all, this is the exact same color as my dress. The exact same color. These pinks don't feel super cohesive, but they do go with that glitter. So I think there's still look to be done with that. These neutrals right here would be really good for a Rapunzel cosplay if you're staying true to the movie, whereas the purples are more in line with like the character in the parks. So the animated Rapunzel has more of a neutral eye. She's got the freckles and like a little blush and like a light lip. But then in the parks, they've got her wearing, you know, lots of blush, purple makeup, lipstick. So depending on which Rapunzel you prefer, I think there are options within this palette. The colors are definitely very in line with the movie's color palette. I don't really know how magic hair is going to work with some of these other looks. I really want to swatch these glitters. Ooh, I want to swatch these glitters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, I don't have enough fingers to swatch all of this. So I'm gonna put some of them on my eyes. Okay, let's see. Gotta grab a clean brush real quick. I think I have to go in with Lost Princess, which is this purple one right here. Gotta grab my Pascal compact. Okay, once again, Lost Princess, which is the same color as my dress. Oh, that's very faint. I might have to load that up a little bit more. That is a very, very subtle purple. It's really pretty. Gotta get my bangs out of the way. I just got bangs. This is a really good purple for the hazel-eyed girlies. It's still purple enough to bring out the green, but it's like not so in-your-face purple. Speaking of in-your-face purple, I'm gonna go in with All Those Days and darken up what I've been doing because this is a very, very faint purple. Oh yeah. That's not even as dark or severe as I thought it was gonna be. It's sort of a bruisey purple, very pretty. This isn't a tutorial, by the way. This is just me like playing with this and having a first impression moment. These are really pretty. This might actually be my new go-to purple for my Asami Sato cosplay. And now I'm gonna just use Live Your Dream on my fingertip. I'm just gonna pop that right in the inner corner. That was a good choice. Go Zoe. I don't know if you can really see that from there, but these purples are lovely. Now to show you the other colors that I did not use. This one is Max. This one is Eugene. Here's Magic Hair. This one is 18th Birthday. This is Blondie. This is Gleam and Glow. This is the Smolder. I think that's a pretty decent shade name, honestly. This is Stolen Crown. And this is Mother Knows Best. I'm going to wash my hands. And now there's 3 more pieces of the collection. It's the lip glosses. I can't swatch these. ColourPop actually no longer tests for gluten in their cosmetics. I noticed that the sticker was gone and I emailed them and I was like, hey, do you guys not test for gluten anymore? Are you guys not gluten-free anymore? What's going on? And they're like, we no longer test for it and also cosmetics don't get ingested. Lip gloss literally goes on the mouth. I do hope they go back to being gluten-free eventually because it's really hard to find affordable gluten-free lipsticks. I'm wearing a different lipstick from a different brand right now, but it's a very expensive brand, like about 3 times the cost of a ColourPop lip gloss. So I would love if ColourPop, if you see this, I would love if y'all started testing again. The celiac girlies would love you. It's Celiac Awareness Month. Be aware of us. Anyway, I'm gonna open them up. I'm giving them to Ariel. She already knows, she's very excited, but I'll still show you guys like what they look like, just not on me. This first one is called Flynn Rider. Oh, sorry, I'm blocking the cap again. Got little lanterns and stuff on it. It's very cute. Flynn Rider is a sparkly kind of nude shade. Honestly, this is something I would gravitate towards if I could wear it. ColourPop, please. The second one is called Rapunzel. That's fitting. Oh, wait, she's so pretty. It's this very light, kind of purpley-ish pink. There's a little bit of a purple tone. You can sort of see it when I put it up to my dress. There's a little bit of a purple tone, but it's mostly a baby pink. This one's darling. And then this last one's weird. I'm excited about it. This one's called Pascal, which I love Pascal. You might be wondering, is Pascal a green lip gloss? Yeah, it is actually. It's this very lime green lip gloss. I don't know what that's gonna look like on the lips. That's really fun though. I'm sure it's not gonna actually look green once it's on, but I can imagine this would probably be really good for color correcting certain lipsticks to adjust the tones. I don't know, maybe Ariel will tell me. Hold on real quick. I really wanna use Max as a highlight on top of the Mother Gothel highlight. Oh, yeah. Yep, that was the move. That was the move. Okay, so final thoughts. This is an absolutely solid Tangled collection. I feel like Tangled doesn't get a whole lot of really good merchandise. This is really good. The color story is phenomenal. Once again, that is the color palette of the movie. The fact that it's even the same color as my dress, which I literally bought to be a Rapunzel Disney bound, 10 out of 10. The fact that it included hair accessories, 100 out of 10. ColourPop has done hair accessories from time to time, usually little clips and stuff to keep your hair out of your face while you're doing your makeup, but this claw clip is about to become like a regular part of my wardrobe. So unbelievably cute. Again, this is going straight in my purse, and also the nostalgia factor with this is off the charts. The highlighters are beautiful, the glitter's beautiful, the eyeshadow's beautiful, the packaging is beautiful. This is so perfect for anybody who's just obsessed with Tangled, which I am. Again, I've been very vocal about my love for Tangled for a very long time. There's actually another video, not on YouTube, where I said if I had to watch one movie for the rest of my life on repeat, no other movies, I would watch Tangled.
Ew, what would your movie be if you could only pick one?
Oh, Tangled.
Yeah, a musical is probably a good choice. That would keep you kind of like sane.
Yeah. There actually was one day where I did watch Tangled 2 times in a row. Like the movie ended and I just popped it back in.
That's amazing.
So anyway, I'm stoked about this. This is some of ColourPop's best work in a very long time, in my opinion. I don't think I've been this excited about a collection since the Avatar collection. This is stunning. ColourPop, if you're seeing this, I would love to be on your team. But also, I would love it if you made your lipsticks gluten-free again. This was worth the money. This was worth the hype. I'm gonna be putting so much of this to like immediate use. I already did. I think I will end up making 2 separate makeup tutorials with that palette. One for the Park Rapunzel makeup and one for more movie accurate. So like, let me know in the comments if that's something you'd be interested in seeing. It would be part of Cosplay Cosmetology. But thank you so much for watching today's video. I'm glad that you're here. That's all for now. Make sure to like and subscribe. Also make sure to stay hydrated. The weather is getting warmer out there, folks. I will see you all next time. Bye. Okay, wait, I got Ariel to try the Pascal one because we were both really curious. You know what? It's not as green as I thought it was gonna be.
It's actually really pretty.
There's a bit of a green reflection in it though.
There's a little hint of green in some lightings.
Yeah, but it's pretty.
Actually, like, why is it versatile?
It is versatile.
I like this.
Yeah.